So this is just fluid filled with mineral oil. The reader here is just essentially a computer that reads pressure. Then in there is a reservoir. So depending on where this is at in elevation, it detects the pressure, which gives you your number. It's accurate to a 1/16 of an inch at 100 feet. Now it's zeroed out. So we can come down here now to our base. Mine is 5.5. 12 and 7/8. Minus 12 and 7/8.
So with the Sienna Edge, it's nice because there's two bundles. Wall stone that you see here, that's got the tongue and groove on it, okay? And then coping that you've got here that's got a smooth top. Here, we're just using inventory, and that's why we're going back and forth. But the wall stone is directional, and if you look closely, there's arrows on it. If you flip-flop these arrows back and forth, it makes for a vertical application, which would be seat wall finished on both sides, okay? If you keep the arrows going the same way, you're gonna have a 3% batter. What that means, it's a more modern, a more clean appearance.